Have you ever looked up and seen something so strange you thought you were in a sci-fi movie? Imagine this. A dazzling bright spot of light appears directly below the sun. No, it's not a UFO or a glitch in the Matrix. This is a real atmospheric phenomenon called a tomb. So, how does this portal to another dimension appear? It happens when sunlight reflects off tiny plate-shaped ice crystals floating high up in the clouds. These crystals act like millions of microscopic mirrors, all aligning horizontally to reflect the sun's image straight down towards you. It's most often seen from high altitudes, like from an airplane window or on a mountaintop, looking down at clouds below. It creates a stunning, almost surreal reflection of the sun hanging in the sky beneath the real one. It's one of nature's most beautiful light tricks. So next time you're flying, keep an eye out. You might just spot this incredible sight. Thanks for watching.